Hey guys, the latest trend in the coffee world, Dalgona coffee. In a bowl, combine your coffee granules with your white or brown sugar and your boiling water. If you don't have an electric mixer, you'll need to use a whisk and mix this for about 8 to 10 minutes till the mixture is smooth and creamy, pale in color, and forms soft peaks. Set the mixture aside and add some ice to 2 glasses along with some milk, about 3/4 of the way full. Then share the coffee mixture between both glasses. Add in some spoons, mix, and serve. I highly recommend trying this coffee mixture with hot milk for a homemade cappuccino. Enjoy!